This is Srijata Bhatnagar.
Invisible barrier which prevents a woman leader from growing beyond a point.
You are a firebrand of a leader.
What I am today, the kind of growth that I've seen, I really owe it to those initial experiences.
Wow, other leaders who are watching it right now, you know who should be your role model when you want to let go of glass ceiling.
I never had to face a glass ceiling in my entire career till now.
Not all women leaders face the glass ceiling.
You can't expect others around you to believe that you can do it if you yourself don't.
You want to know more about that? Come, let's listen to the entire chat.